Welcome to learndaddy.com. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use remove multi-section tool. इस ट्यूटोरियल में हम सीखेंगे कैसे हम यूज करते हैं remove multi-section tool का. So let's begin. We are going to start with the creating new document and we are going to click on part. So for using this option, we are going to first to draw a sketch. Simply we are going to select this plane and click on sketch. Simply we are going to draw a profile. Quickly we are going to make a sketch. Okay, so now we have drawn our sketch. Now let's constrain it. Now we are going to edit the dimensions. Simply we are going to provide it 70. Okay, 30. We are going to use this 25 and this one same 25, and this one I want to be 150. Okay, now let's okay, and 100. Okay, so now as you can see, we have drawn our sketch. Simply we are going to exit, and now we are going to extrude it. We are going to extrude it to 50, not 50, 100, and also we are going to mirror this. Okay, now we are going to talk about the tool remove multi-section. So previously we have learned about the tool multi-section solid. You also familiar with this tool, as in other software it is known as lofted, and the remove multi-section solid below it, you are also familiar with this tool. So in other software it is also known as the lofted cut. So we are going to use this tool. Similarly, these two are same, but in this tool it removes the solids that the sketch we have going to draw. So let's use this tool. You can also find this tool. Simply go to insert and sketch based feature. You can see the tool remove multi-section solid. So for using this tool we need a sketch. Simply we are going to draw a sketch at different planes. First of all, I am going to choose this face and start the sketch. Now I am going to draw a circle. Let's provide the dimensions. I'm going to use it 80. Okay, let's exit. Now we are going to choose this plane. Okay, sketch. We are going to same draw a circle. We are going to provide the constraint. we are going to provide it 20. Okay, exit. And the last phase that we are going to draw a sketch, this phase, and simply I'm going to sketch. Now let's draw a circle. Okay, now we are going to provide the constraint. Let's make it 50. Okay, now we are going to exit. Now you can see we have drawn our sketch on different planes so that we can use the tool. Simply we are going to press OK. Now you can see the dialog box has been opened, same as the multi-section solid dialog box. Now we are going to select the solid sketch and this one. Okay, now you will see, now we are going to choose coupling. Simply you can choose the tangency then curvature because it has the same number of vertex. Simply I'm going to click on preview. Okay, now you uh, now you will see it remove the solid that the sketches we have drawn. Okay, so similarly same way we can use this tool as we use in multi-section solid. So in this tutorial we have learned about the tool how to remove multi-section solid. So I hope you like this video and thank you.